man. Pretty like a money. Babes, a man take up a bun of man in can't sign a bun of man this, you know. So yesterday you have Jagana. Me see dog take a sip off and Jagana and punks. Me say yeah. Yo, top of the morning viewer, subscriber, welcome back to the channel. You know we out here in a people on another adventure. You get to me I say? Yeah man. So yard and abroad don't go and bless up on yourself and you don't know the thing come down, we come out for another fishing. You see what me I say? Me, Firefox, Randy out here today. You get what me I say, see it there? Water nice and pretty. So peeps, we are getting us some fishing. Bless up on yourself, one and all. You see what me I say? Heart of love, man. Yeah man peeps, today we are going to look expedition, you know. Now you know my friend a DJ. We'll send him a rising star that semester. Yeah man peeps, so you see it? But what time now? 8 o'clock. So sun set over water well pretty, you know. Yeah man. Boy, you see the Firefox mash them up people about 15 parrot. Also. Yeah man. How much you catch?
Just a dozen.
Just a dozen. Yeah man.
1 dozen nice clean fish.
And see Randy over there so peeps. I don't know if you can see him face and so far because you don't know. Yeah man. So we're outside people.
Outside, we do like fox this morning, we go by the train. You know what I mean? The only thing we do is put down on 6.
Yeah. And me see him yesterday, me think I dance him a go, you know. You know, yesterday morning me I saw dance, it's a man I go. Yeah man, people, Firefox was the first one. Oh that doctor? Oh, bridging. Nice bridging peeps.
Walk up with the camera and show peeps.
Yeah man. Pretty like a money.
First one in the morning.
Pretty peeps. You see me? We not go live today now, we go video. So we not see every action you know, we know peeps. Yeah man. Heart of love. So peeps, when we catch the first one, we not catch no more, you know. Can Firefox catch the first one. You see me? So him gone up there so. You see it seemed up there so peeps. Him gone up there so go look at different spot. Me and Randy there so same speed. You see it peeps. The sun not too come out yet. Me and Randy not grab nothing yet but I don't know. Outside we there no peeps, something have to happen, you know? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, so Randy grab another source of fish I go and grab over there. Yeah man. In Japan. Jano Star. And we also we could have curry again. Run away fish them too. Oh yeah, the way over there so peeps. So don't know him cut off so. I just one of them thing there, you know? Yeah man, see my line there. Yeah man peeps, so we are going to move from this location because you don't know nothing to go on here so head up see we get them here say peeps, so just keep it locked for the adventure so far. Only one fish catch and a fox catch him, you know peeps. Yeah man, one. Yeah man, and see him. Yeah man. Did I take some bait out and bucket and end up left it down here so bring it up the film, you know. Yeah man, nice parrot, you know, pretty down. So go up there, go see what him catch. You see him take up one? Yeah man, Randy a snack up, you know. Yeah man. Small gart this, you know peeps. You have the big gart and the small gart, you know. Yeah man, the real general that a big gart, you see me? Want to catch him on an adventure same way. So keep it locked man, we go up top. What you say, you ready Randy? Yeah man, him bite off the line. Yeah man. Oh, see bunna man ya peeps. Fire catch a bunna man in. Him say no da see and catch them fish here for go back home. Guy.
You know what I do? They say when I catch the first fish and it's a bunna man you have to go back. And the second one
you say no one now go on there. Your breeze bad in a fire. John no star.
Come there, you know we're gonna go out there.
On the level here and look nice peeps. See your fish here? Eh? See me a fire. Sorry you're here sir. Man proud. Him alone catch something so far peeps. I'm up see that look nice though. We can't see as far but up to flat rock you know. Yeah man. Babes, a man take up a bunna man and can't sign a bunna man this you know. The first one you know. Yeah man. So I water. Peeps, them here. Kanga Tony.
Yeah, anyway, no matter. Just want to mix it up there. That's the bunna man there.
Bunna man that man.
Don't make a phone call, bro.
Check out what go on.
On a credit.
Oh, it's our fire. Yeah man, fire fox. Roll out in can as such is. Yeah, I'm good.
On a red virus.
Put one pan if you beat. Put one. On the hook. Parrot love you know. Yeah man, babes, we're on the whole supplies, you know?
Alright, we can't let it go, we can't let it go. I'm so look for fox, man. The fox attack me, feel like I'm a fish, I'm not see it.
What? Virgin!
I'm so look for fox, man. I'm mad, man.
Virgin!
You think they can come here and say you can look at me fish?
Up somewhere. Yeah man, he done strike him second one, you know?
Well, look fast, man.
Yeah. Outside with them man, babes. You know me I last for attack at all times, you know, so. You know where I go? Breeze out here, bad too. Yes, pips. For my first strike. Yeah man. See I'm nice. Rice top. Yeah man. See my peeps? Fat don't. Yeah. So my first one is not a bunna man in. Woo. Yeah man, nice one, you know peeps?
I don't want to come today.
See him the peeps? Show him off in our water. You know? Bait up back and go out the back, you know peeps? Yeah man. Yeah man peeps. Second one, you know? Yeah man peeps. We have to go check in our bag for pliers in the car, you see it? Look at them teeth there. You see them teeth there?
Look at them teeth there.
Yeah man.
We done a late. And that's it. I didn't want you, man. That's why you want competition.
See what go on. We don't bring no comps, so I'm the second one, you know, peeps. You govern, man. You govern enough fire. I'm not follow you, you know. Yeah, man, peeps. Third one, you know. This is called a bridge, you know.
I catch one part and
You get me as a peeps. Lovely one. Tear, cut off a line. See my peeps? Yeah, man. The third one, you know what I mean, peeps? So, go out the back for my fourth, you know.
Why must have fret now?
Yeah, man, peeps, see him there? In the hole, you know, peeps? Yeah, man, peeps. So, my fourth one there in there, you see me? Think I was videoing just now and it wasn't videoing, you know? But see it there? That are the pink one, the pinky. That's my fourth. Yeah, man, see it there? Another lovely dark teeth parrot, another one, two, and a bridging, you know? So, things looking lovely so far. You see it, peeps? Still out there, you know? Take our time, do what we have to do. Yeah, man, my beautiful people. So this is my catch so far. You don't know. Nice and fresh from sea, you know? Fox them cut gone, left me saw me alone and catch us, but I catch up with them in a minute, you know. But see the peeps? Yeah, man. I'm gonna think my day done yet, you know. But just a try video enough for me can video. Catch enough clip, you know. Even though I have to catch on a video, but still I do it, peeps. So keep it locked, man. I string them up, you know. Yes, people, so here they are. My beauty when me catch so far, you know. Yeah, man, them lovely, don't? Yeah, man. See the peeps? Lovely, you know. Yeah, man. See him, peeps? So, we'll move up the line and now I'll do them gone left me, so. I move up the line, catch up with them. So, I just go and keep it locked, peeps. Yeah, man. Soldier crab, I get to it, peeps. Yeah, let him get to it. I'm going in my bucket. That's one reason I have to move, you know. Them have the bait. Yeah, man, peeps. Them have the bait, so I have to move up the line and catch up with them, you know. Yeah, man. But we outside, peeps. Heart of love, man, yard and abroad. No joke about it, peeps. Yeah, man. Big up every viewers, every subscriber, Father Steve. You don't know I go everybody, you know? Yeah, man. So, up the line. See you when we reach up there. Yeah, man, peeps. So, we reach at the charm base, you know? Yeah, man. See, Firefox end up on top of the rock there. Yeah, man. See what go on? See them? Yeah, man. So, now walk there, so go up on the rock, go up there, go meet them, you know, see what them catch so far, you know. But it's a beauty, see them, you know, peeps, see there? What a beauty. Lovely, don't? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so peeps, me reach up on top of Charm Base here now. You don't know. Yeah, man. I rock the right over there, so you know, peeps, you see me? Watch it. Andy and Fox. You see me? So, set up yourself now to start, you know? Do the right thing. bad out here. I don't see no boat or sea neither, peeps. You see me? Lovely one for the books, you know, peeps?
Yeah.
Nice bridging, Randy, that, you know what I mean? Lovely. Yeah, then a bride on the so I go on. Yeah. Outside, same way. I rig up and move from that spot your piece because we never like you so yet. Too much itch. So me I go rig up my line and go up the line, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah! Fire fox! Yes, fire! On a road now, fire. Yeah, man. So they love him.
They love him up one fish right away.
Yeah, man, people, I'm still a left here, so I don't like you, so none at all. Too much rigging.
You see how we carry up. I'm in a bad spot. You know you catch some more fish. So you look, go on.
What that me I do, man?
Yeah. What my son fire? How you think
Pips. Two of them are friendly and they run me, you know. You get to me and say peeps, but lovely, you know? Have something to smile about, done. So we are go up the line, you know, you hear peeps, yeah man. For them spot, my spot, you know? Yeah man, peeps, so finally reach up at the new location. This is my first strike out here. Peeps, just take a look. I'm just showing you how strong the breeze is, you know? Just how strong the breeze is, you know? Cause right now the wind kill me. Yeah man. The breeze out here high. So you know so it's kinda hard to judge the line more time when the fish them a bite, you know? And the worst thing we do up on the high rock. You get what I say? So it's kinda difficult to judge the bite, but I do the best I can. Fox them still there down there, so I do for them thing, you know? I'm on the outside. I do my thing. You see it? But you know, just go and keep it locked, man. I have to love me. See like somebody over there so I dive. You know? But we're outside, man. Somebody down there so as well fishing. As you can see. Yeah, man. It's a good lookout. You understand, peeps? I have to love, man. You hard and abroad. Yeah, peeps, so this is another one, you know, another nice one, you see it? Yeah man, a jack. But you know, I'm not keep him on long because I'm going to use him as barra bait, so I send him out to see if I can grab a barra, you know, peeps, so quick and fast, I'm going to throw him back out into the water and my barra line and see if I can catch a barra. Yeah man, so keep it locked, people, man. Heart of love, yard and abroad. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So, don't know. We finished catch fish now. As you see, tide job. We down. You have diver and I see out there, so dive. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we there head cross. We go inside back, you know? Sorry, me never catch some more clips to go, no? You know what I mean? Firefox out there, Mac. One thing with Randy, you know, when he done catch, you can never see him catch yet, you know. He's trapped them down, you know. See it, Firefox there. Come on. Good look, my boss. See what go on, the pilot no follow you up from where there?
No, sir.
No pilot. Yeah, Randy make a good catch. One thing every man eat and dinner, you know? Man, boy, one thing my friend have to catch a pilot.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man.
So you go, man. I'm not dashing one.
Yeah, man, but people, you know, me not cap off a video because me always so we can go out there and something excited go on. You see me? When you stay up on the back there and look on the front, I see you see water splash over. Blush! We know see what go on there, me set this sitting there. He jack.
How do you go on? See I climb down.
About take that up and go say kill me jack in my yard.
Me tell Fox to look like he jack. The bird I give him trouble all that.
One clamshell.
You know find a pearl. No can give one catty man. I say Fox I love a boy you know man.
Don't know why I blow the back with the car.
Right in name pan that with the heart. Yeah man peeps so. Don't know as me I say tide. Normally we walk them places I water we are walking you know. Or conquer anything, I don't know. Come on, peeps, so beautiful outside, you know. See what I go on? A nice day of fishing. Great Peng Beach, you know. Yeah man, fish pot on top of fish pot. See that? Then I gotta see a trouble, you know. We now know the online man, then they not trouble when them I gotta see. Nothing left for it.
I'm on that man, but then I don't give me it on top.
Super, yeah. Super go out there go strike in a place. Super cat, you know?
Go look me dinner, you know?
Yeah man. Go look mine too.
Alright, go find out.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Great super, I don't know him, you know.
That's nothing, man.
Yeah man. Outside man.
Take it easy, you know. The big, strong still, but...
Why wicked out there man?
Yeah man, the big, very strong out there, my boy.
Super catch this man, you see it?
Alright. So where are they looking, man? You're there?
When we realize, yeah.
Out there with
The last
cap of them, you know.
Yeah man.
Cause super say if you go see and a man catch a fish before him in top catch fish, you know, and never go back and see, you know.
Rasta said that I captaincy say I have to fight hard to beat you, see. But I get a joke with the name, the two level I see one named Clancel and one named Okito, see. Me say man catch 5 vines, super, cheers. Together we start the vining part. Yo, you see me afraid, super cat. When me look in next brother, I go to bomb and catch, and my man I captain, my uncle, you know. The man goes to bomb and catch one and you know, in flashing and say, yeah, him get there. Because a bomb one man, it goes and bomb one and he to me say, yeah, help me out. Yo, you see next time when the man come up in line, the man goes to bomb and there's 6 lines the man catch to be able to come catch one.
Then the man go this way,
So, I man look, you can't stop
And
the
Me saw
lucky
you know when
man.
me dey on rock, you know.
Eh?
See a bail out water.
You know, them motor fish when you see where I come there. No, the time I go down and I come back. Let them beat for me.
Why, Mr. Jamaican, nice?
How do you get
You can't